So last week we walked the aisles of Lowe's and picked out some brand new appliances. Our girl, Alexis Green, aka Alexi, helped us pick out an electric stove, a matching microwave, and a dishwasher. For the most part, the installation of our new appliances was all good, but not without a couple of hiccups. We'll talk about that and so much more. Let's get started. Hey, good people. Welcome to MommyRoomREDO, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we'll tell you why this epic electric oven was almost an epic fail, and we'll assess the performance of the other appliances as well. So the purpose of my Saturday shopping excursion was to replace this LG electric stove. Only one side of the stove worked. It was totally busted and disgusted. The Lowe's folks came early Monday morning and they had my new stove unpacked and ready to go. Within minutes, they were bringing that oven into my kitchen and they started hooking it up and they came across an issue. Apparently, the former owners installed a dryer outlet. I'm not sure why. I don't know what the purpose of that would be, but the issue is that that could be a fire hazard. It may have been the reason why the oven went out in the first place. I have no idea. I've never known for ovens to go out. I thought they pretty much last forever. In any case, this small issue turned out to be quite a headache. That outlet mishap prevented those nice gentlemen from hooking up my stove. So for the next 4 days, that oven sat unplugged until we found a solution. As we waited, we had the microwave installed.
Okay, cool. So you were talking about Samsung, the brand Samsung?
Yeah, Samsung's good.
Do you get a lot of folks?
A lot of people buy them.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
As well as the dishwasher. Finally, we caught up with an electrician and he switched that bad outlet out for a good one. And he hooked it up. Now, I'll be honest with you, if I had it to do all over again, I would shop around. That electrician charged a whopping $280. I thought that was a lot just to change an outlet. So, buyer beware. In terms of performance, the appliances are doing great. I've tried out the dishwasher. The dishes look wonderful. We have yet to use the smart functionality, so I'm sure when the kids get a chance, they'll be turning on that dishwasher with their phones. So that'll be pretty exciting. The microwave, it performs well. It does what it's supposed to do. Microwaves aren't too exciting from my perspective, but it performs pretty well. And in terms of the stove, I think that's what the kids were most excited about. So we did try the air fryer. So my daughter did some air fried chicken today, and it tasted great. There's still more to learn in terms of how to operate these appliances. I have yet to get through the instructions, but I'm sure it will be all good and it will definitely keep the kids pretty active. For the names and prices of the specific appliances that we purchased from Lowe's, which was sold to us by our friendly salesperson Lexi, please check out our prior kitchen redo video. For now, I want you to just see the difference. Here is the old. Notice that the microwave and the oven, they don't have the same sheen as I talked about in the last video, even though they are both stainless steel appliances. Because they are by two different manufacturers, the sheen is different, and so they don't appear the same way in the light. And then to your right, you have the refrigerator, which is the fingerprint proof refrigerator. So even though it's Samsung and it matches the microwave, still they're a different type, and so they don't look exactly the same. They also have kind of a dull appearance in that top layer is kind of peeling off. So there is a lot going on with these appliances, and they were screaming, redo, 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 and so we did just that. So here's the new. That Samsung microwave and electric range are just giving. Look at that sparkle, look at that shine, look at that exact stainless steel match. That's what you get when you use the same manufacturers. You're going to get the same color palette, the same sheen, and the same shine. And that's what we're looking at here. Also, if you take a look at that dishwasher, same thing. It's going to give you that same shine, that same zing, all because it's from the same manufacturer. All of those appliances come together as one unit. And even though we purchased the refrigerator as an open boxed item, which we talk about in the last video, because it's from the same manufacturer, because it's also the fingerprint proof finish, it's still going to give you that uniform appearance, and it's just going to look good. A very inviting kitchen that says redone, redone, redone. So that's what we have here.
Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.